to start making this meal, you would put the kale first, freshly washed, and then you would add some asparagus, and then you add the chickpeas. You can get the canned chickpeas from the store, and then for the sweet potato, you just put them in the oven until they get like soft, and you can like check on them. I usually put them in there for like about like 20-25 minutes on like 350, and then you just take the chopped avocado, fresh avocado, just chopped it up, and then we added hummus and then sesame seeds and then a little seasoning just to make it give it some flavor, and then we add some sweet chili sauce on top to add that little flavor. And like here's the finished result, and that was like a really good tasty. For the next meals, we just took some peas and we mixed it in with some pesto sauce to add a little flavor and zing, and we just put the peas on the stove for a little bit, and then we just added some broccoli and chickpeas to add that protein and give you a little bit more vitamins with the broccoli. And then we just add some chopped almonds over the top to get a little bit more crunch, and then we also added sesame seeds as well, and then like other seasonings, and you can add seasonings as you desire depending on like how you want it. And this one looks a little bit not tasty, but it is. So the next meal is another Buddha bowl, and we just added spinach, cauliflower, broccoli, sweet potato, some edamame, and avocado, and then we just added the hummus for your protein and to give it that added flavor. This one's actually really easy to make, and this all is like really cheap to buy just because it's like fresh vegetables that you can get right at the grocery store, and it's another really easy meal. So this is probably like one of the ones you could probably take on the go as well for lunch, but all you do is get a tortilla, anyone you like. We got the spinach ones, and then we just added hummus, spinach, the beans for protein, the corn, and then we're gonna add the sauce, and you can also add cheese, I guess, if you want, if you're just doing like vegetarian or not all the way vegan. And then we just had like a little side salad for extra vitamins on the side. And you also can make 2-3 as much as you like. It just depends on basically if you're working out and how your body is. But this one was really good, and I still eat this one to this day. So this bowl, I feel like it kind of has like a Asian twist. So we use cauliflower rice instead of actual rice just to get more vegetables instead of like a bunch of carbs. And we just added bell peppers, and then we're gonna add like some pickled cucumbers that we just put into apple cider vinegar, and then avocado and the seaweed. We add seaweed salad just from HEB, and then we just added egg. But if you're vegan, you don't have to add the egg. But the egg was an extra protein, and it did add flavor. And you just put the sesame seeds and seasoning as well. But just remember, like, you can add as much flavor as you want to it. Take whatever you don't like out. But this one was really good, and I really like it. But some people may not. But it's really tasty. And so these are the vegan tacos. So all we did was had iceberg lettuce, and then I made some cabbage that I just put on the stove and sauteed it. And then that's actually ground beef, but it's made from plants. And then we just add some corn, some tomatoes, some salsa. And this was actually really good, and it's like, it tastes just like a taco, and it was really good. But we also add hummus. I always add hummus just because I'm like addicted to hummus, and hummus tastes really good to me. But you don't have to add hummus if you don't want to, but I enjoy hummus, so that's why it's on there. And the last one we decided to make was another Buddha bowl. So there's the cauliflower rice and kale. And you can put as much cauliflower just because cauliflower is like really healthy vegetable, and also it's like no calories, and it's really filling. So, and then we got this corn, this meatless. I'll add the link to it if it's not there. I'll type all the stuff in the description box, but it's just corn, Brussels sprouts, avocado, and this one was really good. This was my friend's Amanda's favorite one just because she likes the corn. I'm not a huge fan, but if that's what you like, then yes, you should get it. Well, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.